Exercise 6.6, question number 6. Prove that the sum of the squares of the diagonals of a parallelogram is equal to the sum of the squares of its sides. Here in this figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. AC and BD are the diagonals of the parallelogram, and we have to prove that AC square plus BD square is equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. To prove this result, we have drawn AM perpendicular to DC and BN perpendicular to DC produced. So let us write given and to prove, then we shall start proof. So given ABCD is a parallelogram. To prove AC square plus BD square equal to AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus DA square. To prove this result, we have constructed AM perpendicular to DC and BN perpendicular to DC produced. Now proof. In triangle AMD and triangle BNC, in triangle AMD and triangle BNC, AD is equal to BC. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are always equal. AM is equal to BN. Perpendicular distance between parallel sides also equal, and angle AMD is equal to angle BNC 90 degree each, because AM is perpendicular to DC and BN is perpendicular to DC produced. So therefore triangle AMD is congruent to triangle BNC by RHS congruence rule. And therefore DM is equal to CN. DM is equal to CN by CPCT. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So DM is equal to CN. Triangle AMD and triangle BNC are congruent. So DM and CN are corresponding parts, so they are equal. Now in right triangle AMD, now in triangle AMD, using Pythagoras theorem we can write AD square is equal to AM square plus DM square. And in triangle AMC, using Pythagoras theorem we can write AC square equal to AM square plus CM square. AC square is equal to AM square plus CM square. This CM can be written as DC minus DM. So AM square plus CD minus DM whole square. Expand this CD minus DM whole square using A minus B whole square formula. So AM square plus CD square plus DM square minus 2CD into DM. AM square plus DM square plus CD square minus 2CD into DM. AM square plus DM square can be written equal to AD square. So this is equal to AD square plus CD square minus 2CD into DM. Let it be number 1. So AC square equal to AD square plus CD square minus 2CD into DM. This is number 1. Now in triangle BNC, using Pythagoras theorem we can write BC square is equal to BN square plus CN square. In triangle BND, using Pythagoras theorem we can write BD square is equal to BN square plus DN square. This is equal to BN square plus DN can be written as CD plus CN. CD plus CN whole square. This is equal to BN square plus CN square plus CD square plus 2CD into CN. This BN square plus CN square is equal to BC square. So we can write BC square plus this CD can be written equal to AB. So CD square is equal to AB square plus 2CD into this CN is equal to DM. So 2CD into DM. Let it be number 2. Adding 1 and 2, we get AC square plus BD square equal to AD square plus CD square minus 2CD into DM plus AB square plus BC square minus 2CD into DM. Minus 2CD into DM plus 2CD into DM gets cancelled. So we have AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square. Hence proved.